Hey, what's going on, guys? So this weekend is full of working on cars. I have a 240 at my house. I noticed, other than the boost leak, which you guys may have seen in the POV video where I couldn't rev over 4,000 RPM, when I was actually taking it back here to fix that boost leak, there was a power steering leak, and I'll show you guys where it's leaking from in a second. And then yesterday I was running errands with the Miata and my mom. And then after the errands, when I walked back to my car, I pushed the clutch in to start the car, and the clutch just fell to the floor and didn't come back up. I looked underneath the car, and there was a puddle of like brake fluid. So I haven't actually looked at it yet. I'm guessing that it's coming from the clutch slave. I do have a new slave coming in the mail today, actually. So hopefully it comes early enough for me to do it. If not, I'll be working on it tomorrow. But yeah, today, right now, I'm going to start with this car. We're going to fix the power steering leak, and then I have a boost leak tester, so I can find out first, which I think it's leaking, but where it's leaking from as well. Clearly, I did not think through loosening that clamp. Shout out to that guy because he delivered my clutch sleeve for the Miata. So I think once I finish this car, I'll be able to get to that car. So to do the actual boost leak test, I do have a boost leak tester from companies called Turbo Boost. The SR20, the stock turbo at least, has a 2-inch or 2.5-inch outlet. So that is their 2.5-inch coupler. So you just remove the intake, then clamp that down on the turbo outlet, or the turbo inlet, sorry, where the intake connects to. And then we pressurize that. I'm going to try it with a bike pump to see, but if not, I do have that compressor right there to load it a lot faster. And then yeah, we just got to listen for leaks. Hopefully it's apparent, because I did a visual inspection, I couldn't find it anywhere. Yeah, all the couplers and clamps were tight and appeared to not be leaking, so I'm kind of stuck. So that's the reason why I have this. So I got the boost tester on, and I started actually pumping with the bike pump. It's working so far, nothing is leaking. It is holding around 3 psi right now. Of course, I want to go up to like, I don't know, 15 or 20 psi. Yeah, it's probably gonna take a while. I'm gonna try this for like another probably 20 seconds, and then I'll move on to the compressor because this isn't gonna take too long. There's 15 psi. What do you know? It's coming from somewhere over here. Actually, it looks like it's gonna be this guy right here. Yeah, let me take that off real quick. I'm gonna inspect it. Yeah, I heard a leak coming out from this area, and yeah, 1 second. To make this easier on myself, I actually just got some soap and water in a spray bottle. I'm going to spray it on this area, so when I do the pressure test again, so I can see if any new bubbles are coming up, or even right now actually. So actually I think I was wrong. And yeah, the leak is right there. Yeah, you can see all those bubbles forming right there. That valve is having an issue closing. So I removed the clamps and I did a visual inspection of the hose and I kind of felt around. Everything looked good, no cracks or tears or anything anywhere. So I just loosened everything and I repositioned the intercooler piping and I'm going to retighten it. Then I'm going to recharge the system with a boost tester and see if it's still leaking out of there. Hopefully it's not though. But yeah, everything checks out visually, so I think I'm going to be good after this. Okay, so it's approaching 10 psi, a little more than 10, about to just hit 15 psi on the gauge, and there are no more bubbles. But yeah, everything looks good. I guess I should go for a test drive. Cool. If you have an S13, you know the struggle with a cracked dash. Always keep your dashes covered. I was a little worried that I was gonna have to bleed the steering system, you know, because it was leaking out and stuff, but I just went for a little bit of a drive and everything's feeling fine. There's no like pushing in the steering or like kind of air bubble feeling. So yeah, everything's good. The car is idling cleanly, a little under 1,000 like it normally was. In the canyons sometimes when I would come to a stop, the car would fluctuate its idle, like it would like go between 900 and like 1600. Really dirty, unclean idle. But yeah, right now at least it's falling back to 900 consistently, so that's good. So yeah, I think I fixed the sputtering problem. Yeah, the car is able to rev out now, so that's really cool. Yeah, next up I have to work on that guy, which I think I'm gonna do tomorrow because yeah, I'm tired. Anyways, I know I've been lacking on the vlogs recently, but I'm in my last 5 weeks of college and I'm literally slammed with schoolwork right now. Everything is like being crammed into these last 5 weeks before I graduate. After I graduate, I'll have the summer kind of to make really cool car content, like as much as I possibly can. That'll be actually my main focus of the summer before I like join the real world and get a real job. So right now I know the videos are a little slow, but I will be back very soon. I'm trying to post as much as I can. But yeah, I still have the wheels on order for this car, Miata stuff coming as well, and then I should have my third car, the STI's replacement. There's my neighbor. I should have the replacement for the STI hopefully by next week. So yeah, a lot of cool things are coming to the channel. Another new, I don't want to say build because I don't like have crazy plans for it, but a little bit of a few mods here and there. Yeah, I want to get a roll bar for the Miata too. That'll be soon, hopefully. And then, yeah, got other stuff. I don't know. Kind of just talking at this point. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be back very soon with another one with the Miata. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I haven't done this in a while. I don't know how to sign off the video anymore. All right, I'll sign it off with this.